What's up, guys? So in today's video we're just going to be showing you how to restore all the faded plastic trim on your Cherokee. So very common area, as you can see on mine here. The door handles look gray, as well as the all this black rubber trim. We're going to be doing this as well back here, and then you can see the bumper covers, the end caps here, as well as these guys. These aren't too bad, but we'll also do that. Also do it on the wiper arm here. And as you can see on this side, yeah, real faded looking. And then also on the mirrors, we'll give it a whirl too. As well as the front bumper caps here, little bumpers. And then we'll also, this stuff will also work on your tires. So when you're done doing all the plastic, you just do the tires and it'll make everything look brand new again. All right, so the stuff we're gonna be using to restore all the black plastics is Ammo Mud Tire Gel. So you can use it on any of the black plastics on the outside. I've used it on under the hood, and then as well as the tires. So, and just get yourself a nice microfiber. We're just gonna squirt a little bit on here. Just like that. Just gonna rub it in here. So if your stuff is really dry like mine is, you might just need to use a little bit more. I have also used different stuff. Ammo Pro Frame. That stuff's probably better for this kind of stuff, but I do like the Ammo Mud. Still works pretty well. Alrighty, finished it all up. I think the biggest improvement has got to be those black center caps were like gray before. Got the tires all shined up. Front bumper looks fantastic. Those end caps, I got to repaint the front bumper again to make it more of like a satin black. I paint it with like a matte black. It kind of looks a little gray. So definitely paint that more black. But the mirrors turned out pretty good as well. Same with this, all this stuff here. This is all like white and nasty looking. That looks nice and black again. Door handles turned out okay. There's still a little gray in the tops. I probably would use Ammo Pro Frame on those because those are just really long gone, but they do look a ton better than what they did before. Same with all this, that looks really good. This turned out nice as well. All this. And at the rear of the Jeep, the end caps, those look good. The little pole guy here, that turned out nice. Wiper blade, I even did the hinges up top, those look nice too, as well as the roof rack plastic. But yeah, it just looks a ton better. It's amazing how just blacking out the plastics or restoring them would make it look so good. But it really does. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.